Okay, so I've only been to the Food and Wine Festival, and I actually thought that was the only festival that you can go to at Epcot that offered additional food and wine options. I recently discovered that a festival like the Flower and Garden Festival is more than just flowers and garden. I don't know exactly the details, so today I'm going to react to this video that Disney Parks posted yesterday, which is the official first look at 2025 Epcot Flower and Garden Festival Walt Disney World Resort. And I want to see from what Disney Park shows me about this festival, what it's all about, and to see what it actually has to offer.
Can we stay in here all day?
Like this is crazy. Look, like this is a plant? Like it has glasses. What do you mean? Oh, okay, so we can get tea there, I guess, so we get beverages. Also, wait a second. The artwork here on this mug is really giving Alice in Wonderland. Is this Alice in Wonderland themed festival? I don't know. I don't know if that's even a thing, but I see Alice in Wonderland art. I could be wrong. I don't know about that. Ooh, what did we see there? Okay. Oh, this corn. I've seen so many videos on the internet about corn like this, like street corn, I think it's called. Never tried it. Looks amazing. This also reminds me kind of like the Food and Wine Festival. It's like you would get smaller portions of things, although like the corn, you can't really make that. Well, you cut it in half, so that's not a smaller portion. This ice cream bar seems smaller, maybe? Could be a normal size. It's hard to say from this, but like, damn, this seafood, that looks like a lot. Like that is thick. Oh, the pillow here is Alice in Wonderland theme as well. Oh, more food. What's this? Oh, what? Okay, this really reminds me of the Food and Wine Festival because there'd be like flights of different things you can get, usually drinks, or maybe I just picked the drink options. This is like a flight of dips to go with chips. I like this. A flight of drinks. Let's go. And whatever's happening in the back there with the meat, I am all down for that. This cheese in front here, I'm not really a cheese person. If it's like a cheese on a plate with meat, okay, I could take it or leave it. But just mostly cheese, not my thing. Ooh, this looks like it's in the Italy pavilion area, and like the hair, like the what? That crazy. Oh, so we got some Moana. I like how she's standing there. She is saying something with that stance there. Like, I don't know what it is, but she's saying something. This is cool. Like the pig, could it have been a pink flower? Would that make it look cheesy? I don't know. I'm not creative in this sort of way, but this is really neat with the whole hut and everything. It's like literally a whole scene. Okay, like we got like another little scene happening here. So it's like a little picnic. The main character, Mickey and Minnie, going on a picnic. Oh, Mickey has a cute little like badminton, or like, well, who the heck is he playing with? He's just playing by himself with this, right? He has nobody who wants to join him to this kite adventure and to play badminton or tennis or whatever's happening back there. But like really cool with the colors and everything and the details, and like neat. I like this.
Here is this year.
So we get like a whole book. So this started March 5th. This video was posted March 5th. So literally this posted yesterday. But a similar thing as the Food and Wine Festival, they had like a little passport, if you will, literally what it says there, and all the information about the different booths and different food and different stuff that you can get. Interesting. So that makes sense. This is really handy. I feel like when you get this, you got to prioritize though what you want to try, because there's so many options.
There's Festival Passport. I love to browse through here, mark everything we want.
Me, I'm like trying to read it, like, what does it say? What does it say? Wait, it seems like there's a lot of different food options. No? Maybe? Yes?
So many yummy sounding dishes.
Yeah, like that one says that there's food in Morocco. The page on the right says there's food in Japan. So is this like the Food and Wine Festival? Like each like country has a different food booth, but then we also get the addition of like seeing garden and flowers and stuff.
We've made our way to Blossoms of Fragrance, and if you visit for yourself, they'll actually give you a packet of seeds to take home.
Oh, wait, you can take seeds home? That's a really unique, really cool souvenir. Like, I'm not a great person with plants or keeping anything alive, but if you could bring that home, keep it alive, that's like having a little part of Disney World growing in your garden at home all summer long. Kind of top tier if you ask me.
Phineas and Ferb are back
Oh, that's cute.
again, and I love how Phineas is holding this
Wait, what is he holding?
bouquet of flowers.
Oh, it's a bouquet of flower. That's cute. And then like the succulents back here. Wow, the detail. Like I'm assuming they would like paint this part of the plant, right? Yeah, like an airbrush kind of work. I don't know. Butterfly landing. Are we gonna go to a pavilion filled with butterflies? Is this real? Food and Wine Festival just had food and wine. This has butterflies? Are you for real? No way. Oh my god.
Personal highlight of the festival for me is butterfly landing.
I also wonder, did they always do these videos every year to give people sneak peeks? I mean, there's lots of content creators making content of all these festivals. Personally, I just didn't watch these festivals because I thought it was just to see plants. I don't know. I didn't know there's more food and butterflies. Oh, and of course there's caterpillars here too. Duh. Oh, you can see all the cocoons and all the different stages and stuff too. Oh, that's so neat.
There's 2 brand new outdoor kitchens this year. We have
Oh, okay. So 2 outdoor kitchens, but we saw in that passport, like each page had information about the country. So we'll see. What's this? What outdoor kitchens?
a beach grub and yacht grub, coastal inspired cuisine. They sound so delicious, and they're located right across from Goofy's Topiary.
I wonder if this is like bigger portions. I don't know. Okay, so this is the corn that we saw. Okay, this is what we saw. Okay, the beach grub has the corn, the seafood, and this like s'mores ice cream bar. Okay, we like this. A cup of water, maybe? Probably not. It's Disney. It's probably something else.
Food bake our grilled street corn on the cob, which is plant-based, and this delicious s'mores bar. And we can't forget to hydrate with some coconut water.
I was partially correct. It also has coconuts in it.
Delicious. So tasty. Now for our sweet.
Did she even bite that? She put it to bite and then cut and then fake chewed and please take a bite of something. Please. We have to see you eat it.
Tooth.
Again, cut it before she... I don't know about this.
It's so light and fluffy.
Okay, so this is at the yacht grub. Okay, so she had the flight of the chip dips.
Here we have everything.
Okay, the cheese, the meat thing, and the flight of beverages of some sort. We don't know what they are. We'll drink them.
Available at Yacht Grub. Look how delicious this all looks. It's a work of art, so nautically inspired. I'm most excited to try this trio of...
Yeah, this looks amazing. Like I said, I've seen trios of alcoholic beverages, but like dips. Actually, I've never had a chip dip at Disney. Is there caviar on that one? I don't know if I've ever had caviar. It's kind of fancy.
We have caramelized onion dip with caviar.
Oh, damn. But this is what I mean though. Like if you can get smaller portions of things, this could be a more affordable option. I'd be curious to see the prices, the actual menus of all this stuff.
Whipped feta and pimento cheese with house-made potato chips. It sounds absolutely delicious.
She didn't bite anything. She literally didn't.
I'm trying to decide which one was my favorite. They were all so scrumptious.
And she didn't even like talk about anything else that you can get there. It was okay, whatever. It's just the chip dips. They're kind of amazing. That's fine.
The new Play Along Bay playground.
Like this is cool in theory. This is the thing I have with theme parks because like I know there's like outdoor play areas in many theme parks. That's like a common thing, and maybe this is a good way for kids to get their energy out and whatever, and they can't be like standing in lines forever. But also I think about like, do you want to play in this playground or do you want to go, you know, on an actual ride and see Olaf? I don't know. I'm not a child, but I know my answer if I was.
And the question is, do you start out right or left around World Showcase?
Okay, well, I'm Canadian, so the answer to that is pretty obvious. You go right. There's no other option. What do you mean? There's only one right option, and it is to go right. I don't know why this is a question. Let's be clear. Okay, yeah, time for merch. Let's take a look at this.
There's so many adorable pieces. Clearly I already picked up some orange bird ears.
So like the orange bird, I guess that's the mascot of like the Flower and Garden Festival?
Actually scented.
Wait, what? They smell like orange too? Oh, and like the one ear kind of looks like Spaceship Earth. I love that. Oh, that's cute. I've never been to the Flower and Garden Festival, and like I low-key just want to go there just to buy this headband.
citrusy scent, and there's so many other cute pieces back here. Let me show you. The mug is so cute. Look, with the little...
Okay, that is really cute. He's like sitting on like a little leaf. Oh, that's adorable. Just for the handle. I don't care what else is on this mug.
orange bird on the handle to keep you company.
Like, is she gonna show the rest, or she's also agrees with us? It's like, actually just the handle is great. Nothing else is great about this.
As you sip on your coffee.
So yeah, literally nothing else is great about it. She won't even show us. She also went right, guys. I just realized she also went right. She didn't say it, but we know where you are.
We've been exploring, and I figured it was time for a little break. We're at the UK Pavilion, the perfect place to enjoy a cuppa.
Oh, that's where she had the tea. That makes sense because we're in the UK Pavilion. Okay. This area looks so cute. Damn, I've never spent that much time in the UK Pavilion. I think I've literally just like walked through it mostly. Maybe went to like a shop. I don't know. Oh my god, Tinkerbell Relax? Damn, look at that. That looks amazing. Wow, Tinkerbell, holy smokers. Oh, they're little fairy houses. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my god, all the 7 doors. Oh, I love their beards. That's so adorable. Is that a plant? I don't know how plants work, but it kind of looks like hair and it's freaking me out. The details, the dresses, the everything. Is that a real bird? Is that a plant? Who knows? Also, I recently saw this that they have like certain nights they have concerts. What? I don't know if they even did that at the Food and Wine Festival because I honestly would have just missed it completely. I wasn't as prepared as I should have been for that trip. But yeah, like it's not every night though, right? But still, there's still live music, and some nights there will be a show that you can watch.
We're taking a little pit stop at the American Pavilion to check out the schedule for Garden Rocks. There's so many incredible performers. I'm excited to check them out.
Oh wait, Garden Rocks, that's such a cute name, honestly. Oh, we can go inside somewhere too? Where is this? Oh, wow. This is, okay, there's some sort of kiosk thing. You see this here? This almost looks like something you can purchase, right? Like to check out and buy. Is this a store to buy stuff? Or is it like a place to get something to eat and drink? I don't know.
Spike the Bee is at the center of Communicore Hall, and everything is designed so that you're at a bee's eye view.
Oh, that's really cute. That's why like the plants were, or the flowers were like super big.
The process of bringing this festival to life.
I would want to know that. Like, I want to know, like, where do they build these? Where do they store them? Like, how do they go about this process? How long does it take? Maybe that's where you learn all that, like, is here.
And naturally, we grabbed some souvenirs.
Of course she did.
We have this adorable backpack that I showed you earlier. The details are just so cute, and it's practical. You can fit a bunch in here.
It's practical, guys. Don't get me wrong, I love a loungefly, but I could tell you about like 95% of them outside of the Disney parks or theme parks in general, they're not practical. I'm sorry, they're not practical.
Here at Jersey, the orange color is just so perfect for...
But I guess it's like with a lot of the merch too. It's like, it's really fun to buy it and wear it at the parks because like realistically, it is the culture of Disney. But then once you leave the parks, a lot of it, you're like, maybe that's just me. Like, will I wear this anywhere? Or I'm gonna keep this in a drawer and wait till my next Disney trip and bring it.
Finally, this mug. I mean...
Oh, she got the mug. This was cute. I like this. I like it a little like sneak peek. I'm curious if there's more food options at this festival, or is the Food and Wine Festival really the only place that you can get the most food options, the most booths, the most... just all of that. And these other festivals are kind of like what I thought. They're more based on like other aspects, like in this case flower and garden, or the art festivals obviously based around art. Maybe I was correct with my way of thinking, maybe I'm not. I'm gonna look more into it, but for today this has been really cool to watch and react and to see what this is all about, and maybe one day I can experience this festival firsthand. That would be really cool. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and take it easy.